case.
Kementeri Jong Tnad karep Riang ke Jelang ikong amperin lingdo ila pentip baka Tnad karep Riang ke Shna ya ke portal ban pentip syapang kador kamur Jong ki mar rep bat ki so ki pai na baro ki district ha ka ba kador la ban yo malagasngi hababu iga jingkeli kentup ha ka kenta keli jingkeli ha ka dor bar mangtingka Jong ka ying dor bar thawan menta kasngi UMLA ka seng United Democratic Party namu ka yaw iba nu jor ki sungo ila kedau baki nong rep sing kila hab bandia ya ki mar Jong ki ha ka dor artingka hadu lai tingka shikilo kabalong kabaduna bha habayinu jor bagajing penlut jongki ban rep yus ing iba sungo ila kentu ya ka menteri ban shimkhia halor kani bar ban pentri kam ya ka market intervention scheme habaro ka wiga jela khnang bakinong rep kenla ban yo jing mentoy na kani ka scheme.
Question is whether any farmers has been benefited from this MIS and I want to know how much.
So the market intervention scheme or the MIS is an ad hoc scheme implemented by the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, for procurement of agricultural and horticultural commodities in the states. Lakadong, turmeric, for example, is a USP of the state. We are working on ginger. We're working on the pineapple. So in fact, through the various interventions, we have formed the FPOs, the FPCs. So we're also looking at provision of marketing facilities through the collective marketing centers.
Ka office Jong ka district mission